Welcome to another section of video tutorial on how you can remove watermark from image. Guess what? Can you see how beautiful this image looks like here? Definitely you want to download this, but then Shutterstock is expecting you to pay money. If I should click on this download, it's going to ask me to pay some silly amount of money which I don't have. But then I love these resources. I want to use it for a particular design. What then can I do, or what should I do? What is expected of me to do in order to make use of these powerful resources? If I should click on this particular download sign here, it's going to download straight to my phone. And once it's downloaded to my phone, it's going to show this way with this watermark. Come on. So it's going to show with this watermark. I downloaded from two different users so that you can see that the watermark is showing, but then I needed this video. So what can I do this image? So worry no more, because in this particular video I'm going to show you how you can remove this watermark. All you just need to do is go to your Google Chrome and type remove and type watermark remover.io. Just click on it. Loading. Can you see? Just come here, upload image. Can you see Shutterstock? Let me click on this. Processing image, watermark, original image. Can you see? Watermark remove. With this, I can click on this place. Downloading. Now, let me open it. Can you see how clean it is? I still have my quality maintained, and it removed the whole of those stuff you are seeing there. With this, I can easily use this for my design ASAP. And it also has an application. You can download the app from Google Play Store. If you get to Google Play Store, you can get the app downloaded. Just like look at, it's giving options to download the app earlier here. So with this, you are good to go. You can remove any watermark. So you get it from Google Play Store. If you click on it, it's going to take you straight to Google Play Store. You can download. I already have the app installed on my phone. So with this, you can remove watermark from any image of your choice. When I mean any image of your choice, and you see have the quality. The next video I'm going to be dropping is how you can get any image from any graphics you see that you want to make use of. I can bet you with anything, if you see a particular resources and you are interested in it, in ASAP you can get that resources. When I mean in ASAP you can get that resources, you can get it at your fingertips. So thank you very much for joining us in this video. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you and God bless you.